spend a lot of time on today because it's absolutely gorgeous. This morning, I know it's a little chilly. You'll need to grab the coat. Temperatures at 28 to 33 degrees. It feels like it's colder. It feels like it's in the 20s for you as you factor in a bit of a wind chill from a light breeze that's sliding through. So the Weather Now camera showing it's dark and early. It's not until after 7 that we'll see a gorgeous sunrise. And have the camera ready. It's going to be a beautiful sunrise this morning, and it's going to be a beautiful day overall. Now, 51 degrees by afternoon. That is above the seasonal average. I know it's not as warm as Saturday. I feel like we're always going to compare every day going forward to Saturday. That was unusual. Today, 51, beautiful, my pick of the week, the best day in the 7-day planning forecast. We'll start out with clear skies at 8 a.m. I think we're mostly sunny by noon, and by 4 p.m. we're partly cloudy, so that's the increase in cloud cover. Wind not an issue until tonight. All right, so let's get into what happens after midnight. After midnight, we'll start to see some scattered rain showers slide up from Bloomington into Seymour. You're first to see the rain. By about 2 a.m., the rain makes it to the Indianapolis area. First very light, and then we'll see some heavier downpours. Not out of the question, we hear some rumbles of thunder with this system. 4:30 a.m., you're leaving out for work or tuning in to Good Morning Indiana at this point. You'll have rain. Rain sliding through. You'll need the umbrella tomorrow morning, but we'll also have the gusty winds. So maybe the rain jacket the better choice here, especially as we get into the afternoon. At 8:30 a.m., we're still dealing with rain. See, we're on a warmer air. We're actually dealing with a warmer air as a result, just getting in on the rain. By about 9:30, still rain. 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, well, it begins to happen. The transition from rain to snow. At first, you'll start to see it in the northwest quadrant of the state. Northwest quadrant of the state starting to see snow. This system shows you a very clear, defined rain-snow line. Before we get into the snow, I think we could see a bit of a wintry mix to a little sleet. So areas around Lafayette to Crawfordsville, you're first to see this by about 4 p.m. As we continue to go through the afternoon, 6 p.m., Crawfordsville, you're included in that now, and parts of western Indianapolis. Now, as this system slides through, it transitions to all snow, I think, by about 8:30 on Wednesday. At this point, I don't think we're accumulating much because we are dealing with warm ground temperatures. But as you continue to go through the night, the temperatures fall. This will begin to accumulate in the overnight hours. So how much snow are we talking here? Well, I think mainly for central Indiana and areas to the south, I think we can give us about 2 to 4 inches. But there are isolated areas around Crawfordsville into Lafayette, into Logansport that could easily see above 5 inches of snow from this system. As a result of your transitioning so early, you will get in on higher snowfall amounts. So as far as our snowman meter here, I think most of us in a minor mess, but areas in the northwest quadrant of the state, you'll need to grab the shovel. You'll need that, but we'll dry things out for the weekend. 7-day planning forecast. You'll notice that we dry out, warm up, a fantastic weekend ahead. Perfect for all those people in town for Combine today. Perfect, my pick of the week at 51 before the snow moves in tomorrow.